GSEB Class 6 English Unit 2 Manners Matter. Language function. Join the sentences using the given words. Mr. Shah is old, so he is very weak. Arpita eats pani puri and sandwich. Are you reading a novel or a storybook? I am tired because I worked hard all day. They have cats and dogs. Will you take tea or coffee? Complete the sentences. I visited my dentist last Tuesday because I had a toothache. Mr. Shah was a very rich man, but he was not happy. It was freezing this morning, so I wore a heavy coat. The children wore their costumes and went to the party. Shruti studied hard for the maths test, but she found the questions difficult. Write suitable words to add something to the meaning of the given words. Examples: floor, clean floor, basket, red basket, river, wide river, classroom, large classroom, stage, wooden stage, man, tall man, mango, sweet mango, shirt, blue shirt, juice, fresh juice, student, clever student. Write the most appropriate phrases under the picture and make sentences. Writes carefully. The boy writes carefully. Sleeps quietly. The boy sleeps quietly. Walks slowly. The girl walks slowly. Sings sweetly. The girl sings sweetly. Choose the most appropriate words from the bracket to complete the sentences. Anil speaks Chinese fluently. Rita learns very quickly. We fought with the enemies bravely. Falguni is a slow driver. Ritesh has got a loud voice. He is a good boy.